Okay, we are going to be adding the Bitmoji extension to Chrome. I'm going to start by adding a new tab and searching for Bitmoji Chrome extension. It will take me to the Chrome Web Store, and then I will click Add to Chrome. Add extensions. Okay, because I already have an account, I have been logged in. You may have to log in. Then, once I want to use the Bitmoji Chrome extension, all I have to do is go to the little puzzle piece up here. It says extensions, and then click on Bitmoji. Then I can search. There's a really random one where you are a taco. So let's search taco. And then there it is in all its taco glory. All I have to do is drag it over, and then it is in my presentation. I can control how big it is. If I want to add another one, I can. Pizza. Let's go on a junk food right here. Ooh, this one's cool. I'm going to drag it into my Google Slides. And then we're cool. Go crazy.